Stanislaw Maslowski was born Stanislaw Stefan Zygmunt Ludgard Maslowski December 3, 1853 in Włodawa, died May 31, 1926 in Warsaw. He was a Polish painter of realistic style. The author of watercolor landscapes, Maslowski's artistic talent occurred already at an early age. He received a silver medal in 1875 from the Academy of Fine Arts in St. Petersburg, for his school drawings. Maslowski recalls Henryk Piątkowski, while still very young boy, as a student at the Warsaw School of Drawing, marked his outstanding talent in the first creative gusts, and adds, that, he learned mostly not in school, but in the environment of Polish nature, which he felt and spoke with the mastery. These observations complements and confirms relation of his fellow Miłosz Kotarbinski, in which we can read of the very distinctive in school, and not yet appreciated Stanislaw Maslowski. He was already a naturally born impressionist. Studies on the plaster casts of classical sculpture he led in purely impressive mode, in which forgiving executives completely did not complain. With vividly colorful and scenic landscape studies of nature he overtook most ardent later impressionists. The most interesting result of the Ukrainian and other Maslowski's expeditions were quite precursory studies and sketches from nature watercolors, pencils, and oils. Particularly interesting came out a numerous notes from Iron Gate Square in Warsaw. From this period come a numerous watercolor studies of Masovia, picking Maslowski in a row of the first Polish plein-airists and impressionists. Great collective exhibition in the Krewalt Exhibition Room of Art in Warsaw in 1896. Closed most turbulent phase of a new period of Maslowski's painting.